TGIF, everyone. It's Eric here with a quick afternoon update for you on this very, very hot Friday. When you factor in the humidity, I think today's the hottest day of the summer. While the actual air temperature isn't as hot as it's been a couple of times this summer, the heat index is through the roof. Live looks outside Columbiana, and Niles, you got a little visitor. It looks like they're on the top of the camera. That's interesting. It seems like wherever we have these cameras placed, it's a haven for bees and bugs at this time of the year. He's going to crawl around a little bit. Anyway, a few fair weather clouds around. We have fewer thunderstorms now than we did 24 hours ago, and overall I think the coverage will be somewhat less this afternoon compared to the last couple of days. But look at these dew points. It's just really gross out there. 76 the dew point in Calcutta, 75 Boardman, 77 in Cortland. Look at Sandy Lake and Mercer. Upper 70s for dew points, and therefore the heat index is through the roof. Now, at the airport, the heat index is 92, but some of our backyard locations, so where there's a little less wind, the heat index numbers are closer to 100. This is borderline heat index range for the Weather Service, which typically issues a heat advisory, I should say, when the heat index is pretty close to 100. So yeah, it's hot. All right, again, the radar's not particularly active right now. 24 hours ago, we had a lot more in the way of thunderstorms around. We have one shower right along 224, Mahoning County, around Canfield. And we have one that has popped up towards the Cortland area. But there's no lightning and thunder with these right now. And as you can see, this is real hit or miss stuff. Even more hit or miss than the last couple of days. Well, what about the rest of the day today? Here's our high-res Futurecast model showing us what the radar should look like. It looks like the most active period maybe towards dinner time, 5, 6, maybe 7, with a scattering of thunderstorms around. Much like the last couple of days, these can have hard downpours. The good news is these will be moving along a little faster than the storms over the last couple of days. There's a little more wind aloft to steer these along today, so that'll help to prevent widespread flash flooding. And then, again, we're going to dry out later on tonight. Going to be an unsettled weekend. The Storm Prediction Center does have a low risk of severe weather here for tomorrow. It's low, but not zero. This will be particularly in the afternoon and the evening. The driest part of the whole weekend looks to be Saturday morning and midday, increasing chances for showers and storms later, and then Saturday night and Sunday looking quite soggy. Weather for Weather Geeks will be back this evening online, probably by about 8:30. You can watch that on your 21 Storm Tracker app, my weather blog, and our station weather page as well. We'll take a real in-depth look at the weekend and the unsettled pattern that we should be in for next week. Also, check out my 7-day forecast and much more this evening on 21 News at 6. I will see you then.